So guys, One Key Car Garage back at you. Just completed the first pass on the headlights, and guys, I'm a believer. The name of the YouTuber is SP Tuning, SP Tuning, and he has a DIY video on using the Mother's Magnum aluminum polish. So all I did was apply some of that cream to the rag, just wipe, basically wax on, wax off, like Mr. Miyagi would say. But look at the difference, guys. I'm a believer. No more sanding. I believe I can, what I'll do is just incorporate this, minus the sanding, less time, and then for more permanent protection against future yellowing, I'll probably just go over that with the spray, with a gloss spray, as I outlined in a previous video. But guys, you can see the difference. I believe this is a winner, and I want to thank SP Tuning for that piece of advice. Anything to make our lives easier is a plus in my book. And as you can see, I did install the bumper. The other one was in not so good shape, so now we have both fenders and bumper to tape to spray. On this part of the bumper here, I just need to adjust that some with the clips to ensure that it has a tight fit. But today, guys, is the headlights, and I believe this is a much better solution. So I'm gonna get going on the other side, and thanks for watching, and see you soon. Winner, guys, winner.